Alien discovery. Scientists narrow search after shocking find about extraterrestrials. Sean Martin Express UK reports that alien life could be on very few planets elsewhere in the universe as scientists make a major discovery, and it drastically narrows down where extraterrestrials could be living and where we should be searching for them. Scientists' search for aliens has become more focused on a smaller number of planets. This is after making a discovery about the composition of most planets' atmospheres. Typically, alien hunting experts have been analyzing planets which are in the habitable zone of their host star. That's a region in space where it's neither too cold nor too warm for life to exist. But experts from the University of California, Riverside, UCR, believe other scientists have failed to take into account a buildup of toxic gases within a planet's atmosphere which would not allow complex life to live. For example, by using computer models, the researchers found that any planet on the outer edge of the habitable zone with liquid on the surface would require carbon dioxide. It's a greenhouse gas, levels thousands of times that of Earth to maintain liquid and not have it freeze. Edward Schiederman, lead author of the study published in the Astrophysical Journal and a NASA postdoctoral program, said, to sustain liquid water at the outer edges of the conventional habitable zone, a planet would need tons of thousands of times more carbon dioxide than Earth has already. And that's far beyond the levels known to be toxic to human and animal life on Earth. Another example comes from our solar system's two closest alien stars, Proxima Centauri and the TRAPPIST-1. The intense ultraviolet radiation from these stars would batter any planets in their habitable zones, and they would lead to a buildup of carbon monoxide, which is poisonous. Timothy Lyons, one of the study's co-authors, a distinguished professor of biochemistry in UCR's Department of Health and Planetary Sciences, is the director of Alternative Earth's Astrobiology Center, and he said, "This is the first time the physiological limits of life on Earth have been considered to predict the distribution of complex life elsewhere in the universe. Imagine a habitable zone for complex life, defined as a safe zone where it would be plausible to support rich ecosystems that we find on Earth today. Our research indicates that complex ecosystems like ours cannot exist in most regions of the habitable zone as traditionally defined." Mr. Schwieterman concluded that, he says, "I think showing how rare and special our planet is only enhances the case for protecting it. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet in the universe that can sustain life." If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.